Hello friends. So today we are going to start with a simple program about a buzzer and how you will use a buzzer and an LED on the Arduino UNO. So the code for this is first what you do is that you define two constant values. First, the constant int buzzer equal to 6. The constant keyword here will say that this variable buzzer, it cannot be changed throughout the program. It will remain the same and it must not be changed. The reason is that this 6 denotes the pin number here. So the buzzer here, it will be connected to the pin number 6. The other side of the buzzer will be connected to the ground, but this side will be connected to the pin number 6. So this must not be changed throughout the program. Now another constant int we use for you and use it for the LED, and it denotes the pin number 10. So the LED here, it will be connected to the pin number 10, and the other side of the LED will be connected to a resistor. The reason for this is that we don't want to actually damage the LED, so we connect one other side of it to the resistor, and the other side of the resistor is then connected to the ground. So it is a simple circuit here. uh, this circuit is a simple circuit. It connects a buzzer to the pin number 6, and it connects the LED to the pin number 10. Now we use the void setup function. The void setup function here we use to initialize the variables. As you know, it only runs once, and we use it to initialize the values or initialize the pin modes. So here we define the pin mode, meaning that the pin mode for the buzzer, it will be used as an input. So the buzzer will be used as an input here, and the LED will be used as an output. So LED, it blinks as an output, and buzzer, it will be used as an input here. So we have defined the two pin modes here. The buzzer will be used as an input, and the pin and another pin mode we have used for the LED, which will be used as an output. This means that the pin number 10 here, it gives the output. Pin number 10 here gives the output, and pin number 6 here, it gives the input. Now we will use the while loop function. This function, while loop function, it will continue to run throughout the program. It will run continuously in a loop. It will run repeatedly. These lines will go on running repeatedly. In this loop function, we have first defined the digital write, which means that we are going to actually give some values to the buzzer. So we are giving the value high to the buzzer. High means we have to on the buzzer, which means that 5 volts of voltage we are giving to the buzzer, which means that we are high means that we are actually giving 5 volts of voltage to the buzzer, which means that the buzzer is on. Similarly, we write digital write LED high. LED high means we are actually giving 5 volts of electricity or 5 volts of voltage to the LED, and high means on here. The LED is on. Now tone function. This tone function, actually what it does, it decides actually the intensity. It decides the intensity and the tune. It decides the intensity and the tune of the buzzer, meaning that this value, it can be from 0 to 255, and each of the value denotes a specific intensity. How much intensity the buzzer will actually, the audio of the buzzer will run at, how much intensity, how much loud, or how much higher will be the intensity of the buzzer. And also each of these denotes the tune also, in what tune or what audio will be in what audio or in what tune or in what frequency the buzzer will be running. It denotes that also. So tone function here, we give the buzzer means the pin number 10, pin number 6 means the buzzer here. So tone function is used for the buzzer at pin number 6, which means that pin number 6, you have to give an audio frequency of 100. this frequency or intensity of audio for the buzzer will be 100. And actually what this tone function does actually, it its main function is it gives a frequency to the wave. It gives a frequency to the wave, and this is the main function. It gives some frequency to the audio waves. Now after this, we have given the buzzer the intensity of 100, or the frequency, we have given a specific frequency to the audio waves. So after this we will use a delay 1000, so that this we can hear the buzzer, and 1000 millisecond there will be a stop of 1000 milliseconds. So for 1000 milliseconds, the buzzer will be running. We have to stop the program or pause the program for 1000 milliseconds here. Then again, we will simply do digital write buzzer low. Low means here that the buzzer is off, and we will simply do digital write LED low. LED low means that the LED is off. And now this function no tone buzzer is important. You will always use it, because the reason for this is that I told you that the tone function, it gives a frequency to the wave. So no tone function is no gives a frequency to the uh, audio wave, so by which the buzzer is running, it gives the frequency of the audio wave. Now this no tone, what it actually does, it will reset the frequency. It resets the frequency of the wave. It simply resets the frequency of the wave, and therefore it is important. It must be used always. And then again we will use a delay of 1000 milliseconds, and this while loop will continue to run. After this, it will repeatedly run, these lines will repeatedly run. The buzzer, or the pin number 6 which has the buzzer, it will be on, and then LED will be on, and then a intensity of 1000, or a frequency value of related to 100, or a intensity of 100, or a frequency value related to 100, it will be given using the tone function to this pin number 6, where the buzzer is connected. And again then buzzer will be off, LED will be off, and the frequency of the wave will be reset, and then we again use the delay. So let's see how this function will work. So we will actually we will simply run this program. So it will compile, and now look, it is showing the buzzer is running, and when the buzzer is running, the LED is on. LED is on, and then the LED will be off. Now similarly, if we change this tune, we change this tune to, for example, 150, and then actually we run this program. So we are running this program, we change the tune, and actually we run this program. So the tune will be changing, the intensity will change, and the LED will also run, and the buzzer is running, then an LED will and the buzzer will stop, and the loop function will continue. I hope you program. Thank you for